already. The next part will be just to copy the things I need to my perspective grid. So select all the things here, one gigantic group that I'm making. So object, group. So hopefully I have this group. Maybe I want to just quickly name it train side group. Okay, and that whole group, Control C, or you to play it cleanly. Edit, copy, and go to my layer 2. Make sure it's on to perspective selection 2. Pick your number 3, your orange plane, and paste. Okay, and the whole thing, I just drag it around. Voila. Isn't that neat? Isn't that neat? So nice. Well, can you scale it? Well, for right now, just select it. If you move, even goes out of the picture. That's so cool. Yeah. In perspective. I mean, not just on one plane though. It's like very strong, almost three perspective points, but actually 2. So you can move around on that plane, like it's going from here to there, yeah, or even on the rooftop, like making it a billboard. Doesn't matter. So according to your design or to your needs, okay. But if you want to move in depth, like the third, well, here what I'm doing is up and then left and right axis. But if you want to go like towards the back of the third perspective point, vanishing point, you can hit 5. If you hold down number 5, hold down 5, okay. If you drag, click drag on it, you actually can move away from the origin, and that gives you more power even yet. See that? That's awesome. Okay, the next thing is that what if I make a mistake? Actually, if you go right click on, while you still add your perspective selection to, you right click on the object and then go to perspective. There is this button. You can release it. Release with perspective. Okay, release it, and now it kind of stay at the that angle that you had, but it won't. Well, I've just undo it, so obviously I still have the effect now. You can compare the two. That it won't stay. It won't stick to the perspective plane you were sticking on. For example, the orange plane here that I'm working on. Let's carry on. The next part would be pretty much repeating the same thing, but to the front here that we have. Okay. So that's all I have for the front. Select them all and group that into one gigantic front group. Copy that. So Control C, and now be very careful. So go to my perspective selection to pick the blue plane and paste. Control V, and if you start moving it, it should get to the point that it sticks to it, or in perspective to the blue plane. Hold down 5. If that's too big, just push it back. I think that's about right. So I'm always moving things in the perspective selection too, in order to keep things in place and correctly. Maybe that's too far away, so it's too small. Okay, that's better.